Hey everybody, it is Tim. Today I am going to be attempting to get this door latch to work properly. You see it works like this, but when I try to shut it, just hits that, bounces right off. So the latch bolt is not retracting. You can see right here, it won't go in. This is not locked. Doing the handle does it. So I have been told that if you just get a sledgehammer and give it a couple whacks, that might do it. So let's try it. Got my sledge right here. I'm gonna grab it. I'm not too sure this is gonna work, but let's see. It's a little harder when the door tries to close itself. All right, here we go. Not sure if that did it or not. Let's try. Whoa, it's working. Let's see. It worked. That is incredible. So, looks like all you need to do is get a sledgehammer, give that a couple whacks, and you are good to go. Anyway, hope this helped you guys out. Have a good one.